Hello guys, thanks for watching. Adrian here from AppSeed. So in this video I want to demonstrate how to generate a simple full stack application using AppSeed. I'm using an app generator that is a free service. The link will be saved in this material description. So basically you need to access this button. Okay, so the generator works in this way. You need to select the design. Once you select the design, you can choose from different backend servers. You can choose between Node.js, Flask, and Django, and more backend frameworks will come soon, like Fast API and Laravel. In the customization project, I will keep the defaults, and if all looks good and the project is set up correctly, we need to generate the project. And once the platform accept the request, the generate the source code is provided in two flavors, as a zip archive, which is available sooner, and also as the sources are uploaded to GitHub for later reference. Once the product is generated and the process is flagged as successful, I will use another service provided by AppSeed to deploy live the product using this simple UI that accept in this drag and drop box the URL of the project, and once the request is sent to AppSeed, the product should be live in just a few minutes. How this flow works? Uh, AppSeed is linked to the render to the render deployment platform, which is a Heroku-like service that simplifies a lot the deployment service for many types of services like static websites, Python based applications, Go, Ruby, and other popular dynamic languages. So AppSeed basically is linked to that to render, and the deployments should happen in just a few minutes. Okay, if we go back here to the generator page, we can see that the product was successfully generated and the sources are uploaded to GitHub. I will access the repository. An important fact is the license of the generated product, which is MIT, which means you can use the generated code base in commercial projects. Simply used for your learning, so you don't have to worry about the licensing. Okay, I will go back here to the source code. I will access the live deployer service, and I will just drag with the mouse the URL of the repository. Confirm that I want to push live this product, and AppSeed now analyzes the source code, detects the type of the project. In our case, we have a Node.js backend with a React UI, and scans the sources and detects that he is able to push the product live, or the request should be rejected. In this case, the request was accepted because it's a project generated by AppSeed and is fully compatible with this live deployer. Let's go here to the render dashboard. Now we can see we have two services under compilation. So let's check out the compilation log in the provided by render. We can see here the progress. This is the compilation log for the Node.js API. We can see that the only successful messages, and now the render pushes the API server live. I will do the same with the React codebase. React will compile the React product compilation. It's a little bit slower, Usually takes 1 or 2 minutes extra compared to the API servers, but in the end we'll have a fully usable product that can be accessed by anyone, and the product should be successfully deployed. Okay, let's go back here to the render main dashboard and check out the progress. We can see it's that the Node.js API is flagged as successful. The deployment is okay. The product is up and running, and now we need to wait the completion of the React user interface. In the same way, we can deploy any product generated or manually coded by AppSeed. I don't know, this one for instance. We can go, let's select a Flask application. This one for instance, it's super popular. Let me check something. Yes. So basically, if I want to deploy this one, I will access the live deployer page and just drag with the mouse and confirm the deployment, and wait the completion. Okay, this new deployment will be live in just a few minutes. If we go here to the render dashboard and refresh the page, we can see that the Flask material kit is under deployment. Okay, I will go back to the Flask material kit once we test the React deployment, which is flagged as finished. I will copy the URL. I will use this the browser and access the UI. Let's create a new user. Yeah. Okay, this is the user name field. This is the email, and I will use a simple password. We can see that the creation was successful because we were redirected to the sign-in page. I will copy paste the credentials and access the UI. So basically, the Datta Able React version bundled with Node.js is live. It's up and running. We can see here that the domain is onrender.com. So the product is usable, has authentication, and the super nice UI. So we are good to go. Okay, let's go back to the render dashboard and check out the progress of the Flask material kit. As I said before, any product provided by AppSeed can be used in the same way, just by drag here with the mouse the URL, and you can deploy the product. It's important to know that this service is not um, available without an account and without a pro account, so it's reserved for pro users. Feel free to check the pricing, that is super decent in order to access this feature. Okay, let's go back here to the Flask material kit and copy the URL and open up the product in the browser and check out the interface. Looks great in my opinion. Let's create a new user. As always, I'm using a dummy user and a simple password. Okay, user created successfully. Let's sign in. And we are good to go. I just deployed a randomly chosen product from AppSeed, and the product was live on render with just a drag and drop. And in the same way, I was deploying the React product. So guys, thanks for watching. Feel free to use the service. It's free. You don't need an account. In case of any issues, chat with us, access the support page, and use these coordinates to get in touch with us. Send us an email or simply join Discord. In case you are using already Discord, we have a super nice community with more than 1,000 members that are willing all the time to help other developers, and also you can get support from the official support page of AppSeed. Thanks for watching again. Adrian here from AppSeed, and as always, I wish you all a super day. Bye, guys.